Hi everyone, I'm here again, Rizelle and Galvez. I just gonna have a quick tutorials to a questions that came from our Canvas community. So the questions is how to create a stunning resume or how to create resume in Canva. Let's check this out, the two ways how you can create it. So let's start. First, of course, you need to log in with your Canva account. If you don't have Canva account yet, please create one. I will providing the link with this video. So feel free to click that link to create a Canva free account. So we are here now in Canva dashboard. We'll just need to do is to research about resume. Okay, and then click this one. We have different resume already that you can choose on according to you, but I will just click resume. You can have it blank here, but you can also choose here. We have a lot or tons of resume here that you can have. Maybe I can have this one. Just click it. I can also have it in here in the blank document. There you go. And then just tweak or make some edit. So I have this one and I have this with the blank. So you have also here the different resume that you can choose on. Just click which one that you want to have or see all. So there's a lot. Okay, we can choose there, we can choose here, but what I love is the second way. So let's start it first here. Let's make it some bigger. Okay, and just edit the details according to your experience, your position or niche. Okay, your abouts, education, skills. So as a designer, we can just have this one, or a Canva designer, we can have here Canva designer. So you can edit the contacts, the education, the work experience that you have, the about me, your skills. If you have other platforms that you use for designing, you can edit those and then make it red if you think you are so good about it. And that is the one way to create a resume. It's just the same here, just the second one is I will be providing the link of this one on this video. So you just need to type your name here. So I have my name there, and then click build my resume. You can choose according to your niche, but as a graphic designer I will choose this one. And then as it says, select up to 5 resumes so we can get to know your style. We need to choose 5 resume. Okay, resume, let's choose 5 resume. So I have 5. It's automatically creating a new resume according to your perspective. So that's it. They created you a new resume according to your perspective. Then feel free to change those things that you have in the Canva. I think that's it for today. I hope that you learned a lot on these videos. Don't forget to like and share these videos because sharing is caring. Bye!